Hi guys, so I'm watching the EFF podcast, ne? And CIC answers this question about now. Why is the EFF supporting the MK and KZN? And I'm making this video because I know we've discussed this on my live so many times, where you get fighters that are concerned with why are we supporting MK and KZN? Why not just let them sink and drown? Like why? Don't. So CIC speaks on this, and I know there are some fighters who've said, them being chaotic, ukubone, it's gonna affect us because we're gonna look like that we are chaotic. Don't. So why don't we just let them be? Whereupon, even after they failed the motion of no confidence to make it successful. So this is what CIC said. I think this is very, very important. Listen to what he says. Yeah.
Your critique of Mazwalman, do you make it a broader critique of the MKP as a whole? Because what's happening now, if you check, Mziligas, there's that chaos happening in KZN.
Yes, that's why I wanted to ask him.
There's criticism that why is the EFF supporting what they are able to criticize as poor in quality in KZN? What do you make of that?
Well, it's very simple. The people of KZN decided they want to be led by fools. So they must have their fools. It's not, I don't decide. We all are of the principle that says the person with the majority must be the one that leads, mayor, premier, and things like that. So they wanted them like that. We get the government we deserve, and that's what the people of KZN deserve. That's what they voted for. To do any other thing against what happened there, it's us being anti-majority, that people have given you direction of which they want to take, and then you decide, no, you're going to give them what you think is right for them. There's no capacity in MK.
So now people will say, but EFF is supporting MKP taking over the KZN government, which is, you explain it, is majority rule. But now, don't you feel that maybe it will be disrupting of what is going, because you said those guys don't have capacity to do anything? Don't you think, are you not supporting people like this, to say, are you not supporting anarchy and chaos?
No, we're going to help them. Okay. For the sake of the progress of the people of KZN, we're going to help MK in running KZN. So we cannot allow KZN to degenerate. And the good thing is, unlike MK, there is law in government. You don't just do things there. Things are done in a particular way. And therefore, that is going to help us to run KZN in a manner that is required by the Constitution and the laws of South Africa, because we're not going to govern with Freedom Front Plus and the DA. We are ideologically apart and extremely apart from each other, but their historical role in making us to be what we are, our suffering and pain, is because of those people. And therefore, to still bring them into power and still honor Krisani, what do you mean?